subscribe the channel. Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, today we will learn the letters G, J, K, Q. This is the letter G. The letter G has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. The hard sound of letter G is G. Garden, gate, girl, gold, grapes. G, G, G. The soft sound of letter G is J. Ginger, giraffe, jam, jumps, gym. This is the letter J. J sounds J. Jeep, joker, jar, jacket, jug, J, J, J. This is the letter K. K sounds K. Kangaroo, key, kite, kitten, kitten, king, K, K, K. This is the letter Q. Q sounds quack, queen, Q, question, Q, Q, Q. G, J, K, Q. And the last but not least, if you want more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll meet again. Till then, take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.